Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this palm kernel oil. This palm kernel oil is very good for the hair and also for the skin. In this particular video I'm going to show you how to make the lighter one you're seeing, not the dark one. But in the next video I'll plan doing a video on the black one, the same palm kernel that gives you two different color of oil. If it's the first time of watching my videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get started. Here's my palm kernel nut. After breaking and removing the shells, I pour water into it and wash it. Make sure I wash it very well. After washing, I put in my blender. Now at this point, if you don't have a blender at home, you can take it to a mill so that they will help you break the nut. The nut is very hard, and blending it at home, I have to add water to it. And I added enough water so that my blender, the blade, can be able to break it down. So after blending for some few minutes, this is how it looks. And after blending, I just have to pour it in a pot. At this point, I cooked it for about 10 minutes to make sure the water dry up from it. So as you're cooking, be patient enough, because without cooking it, you'll not get the oil you want from it. So I have to cook it to bring out the oil I need from it. So I cooked it for some few minutes until I saw that the water is dried up from it. So always be patient with this process as you're doing it. Don't be in a haste to remove it. So here is it. So here the water is almost dried. Then I take it out. Here's what it looks like. At this point, I'm pouring it into my cup or a bowl, anyone you have. Water, room temperature, water to it, and mix it very well. Make sure you mix it very well at this point. Then add enough water. I added enough water to make sure the kernel is covered with water. So this is how it looks after adding the water to it. Make sure you mix it very well. So after mixing it this way, I kept it for 12 hours. Just leave it for 12 hours. You see at this point it has separated. The chaff at the bottom of the cup, the middle is the water, and the top is the oil. So this is what the top looks like. After 12 hours, I carefully and gently remove the oil from the top part. Yes, don't worry, as you're doing this part, there's water coming along with it. Remember, the kernel was very small, not much enough to get a bottle of oil, but this is what I did patiently, taking the top part. You see exactly what you're seeing at this point. This is how I extract it. Just carefully. You see, water is combining with the water, but not to worry. So after extracting it, and after 12 hours, I have to mix the one in the cup and left it. I allow it to sit again for another 12 hours because we'll still have some oils in it. So this is what I've been able to extract from it. At this point, I used a nylon to cover it. I used this clinch film to cover it. So this is after another 12 hours, which is 24 hours now in total. We're still getting some oils from it. So I gently and carefully remove the top. I don't want to add much water to it, but if you think you want more of the oils, you can go ahead and keep extracting it. At this point, we have no more oil. So after extracting it, I put it on fire. I make sure I cooked it until the water gets dry. And along the line, I noticed that the oil is splashing on me. It's splashing on me, so I had to change the pot. I have to put it in a bigger pot. And after cooking it for some minutes, the water is dried. Make sure the water is completely dried. At this point, you see how it looks. So here we have the oil. This is it. This is so simple as you make it. So at this point, I'm using my cheesecloth to save the particles, to make sure there's no particles in the oil. This is the oil, you see. If you're familiar with coconut oil, it just smells exactly like coconut oil. I love the smell. So here's the particles. There's the chaff. So here's the oil. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, like them. If you have any questions, don't forget to use the comment section. See you next time. Bye.